Ladies and gentlemen, tonight's national anthem performed by Nikki Santana.
Oh, say can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam, whose bright stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we won were so gallantly streamed. Still there. Oh, see, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the
Baby, mira para acá. Ya, Marco, mira para acá.
¿Te quieres arreglar, verdad?
Oh my God. No, era, ajá, era este, la rubia.
Tough truck drivers, please head to your trucks. Tough truck drivers, please head to your trucks right now. There goes number 13, Holly Ruff, your winner.
Woo! Wow. ¿Y cómo ganan ahí? Coño. Mira cómo está eso. No, no, no. Lo que ves. La pista está vacía y ahora se va a formar la gozadera.
W4 construction. Here he goes. Bobby laying into it. Got himself a guest in the passenger seat as well. Uh-oh. Coming around in the inside. Yeah! That's one way to do it. Oh, keep going. There we go. We got him back on all fours. Let's see if we can get it running. And he's got it running.
Oh my God.
He took that corner a little slower than I thought he would. And here it comes around. There we go. That is Bobby Walker from Walla Walla, Washington. Make some noise, fans. With a time of 37.70, and that is with a rollover. Make some noise one more time for Bobby Walker. Here Tony making his way from wall to wall in that 1980s Buick. Coming around into the center of the arena around the big tire. That was a little better corner than Bobby Walker's. Not as fun for you, but a lot safer for him. Coming around, he's got two more jumps to hit before we get a time. That is the finish line, and we've got a time of 31.9.
Boogie. Boogie. A ver, ¿te gusta? ¿Te gustan los carros?
Bringing out the big pusher for this one.
¿Qué pasó? ¿Te da miedo?
Whoa, we almost got that thing.
Te dio miedo el carro que se viró.
Don't get her stuck.
¡Ay! No tienen cómo mover eso. Bota la chatarra esa. Oh my God.
Taking her slow over the bumps. Consistency making his way around corner number one.
Oh my God.
Going for it all.
Eso se
It
quedó.
ends up
Echando humo entonces.
3/4 of the way over. Not completely all the way. Gonna see if we can't get him pushed up and now. Hopefully Lee's okay in there.
Oh my God.
I see him moving. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise. As Lee Evans crawls out of that Jeep. And again, a no time though for Lee. But I'll tell you what, he got one of the wildest rides of the evening. Again, Lee Evans, ladies and gentlemen.
Woo! Wow.
Just like new, Lee. Just like new. Jump on. Oh, yeah. Slight corner damage though, I see. A little bit of body work to do for next year. Should be okay though on the way home. Just take her easy, keep her under 60 on the highway.
Que vaya suave por el camino a la casa.
Taste of what they've got going on. They're going to hit every single ramp jump that we've made for them. We've got riders like Andrew the Boss, Al Moffat, Jake Spence, Scott Mora, Zach Hans, Jacob Ma, and Tyler Scott. Gonna race tonight, and these guys out here are our Heat 1A. Now this is Andrew the Boss, Al Moffat, Jake Spence, and Scott Mora. They're coming around in the 127, it looks like, for the Jake Spence in the 191, Scott Mora in the 190, Al Moffat in the 36, and Andrew the Boss in the 296. by Jake Spence in the 191. In the pink machine, that's the number 296 by Andrew LaBoss. Followed in the number 36 in fourth place, that's Al Moffat. All right. The number 112 of John Brown Sr. Oh, that's a torpedo getting hammered on the accelerator, but not doing much. Oh, Holly. Giving the number 3. Not doing much moving over there. Jim Richardson, there's the 50 off.
Wow! My God.
There's a big hit again from Holly, but Holly looks, oh! That's the number 19, John Brown Jr. Sponsored by Oxnard United Center Rock, getting away from that number 3 finally. Dylan Richardson kind of stuck over here in the corner, but he finally got free. Looks as though we've got a couple riders over there. The number 06 is Jason Brown. Jason Brown is already out. There's the 85, DJ Wade. Also snapping his stick. DJ Wade out in the 85. Right next to him as well. Going for a wild ride. So far out, we've got the 06 of Jason Brown and the 85 of 3, 2, 1, go! We've got 5 vehicles. We're the 19.